Welcome to Easy Peasy English. Big learning made simple. Let's get into it. To get on.
We get on really well.
He got on the bus.
To get off. I got off the train.
What time do you get off work?
He got off with just a warning.
To put on.
She put on her coat.
Don't forget to put on your seatbelt.
The school will put on a play.
To take off.
Please take off your shoes.
The plane took off on time.
His business really took off last year.
To call up.
I'll call up my friend tonight.
That song called up old memories.
He was called up to the army.
To turn on.
Please turn on the lights.
That music really turns him on.
Suddenly, the dog turned on its owner.
Thanks for learning with Easy Peasy English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun lessons. See you next time. Stay peasy.